Hello students, today we are going to study about pressure. The seventh chapter, force and pressure. In that pressure, the force acting on a unit area of surface is called pressure. Pressure equal to force divided by area on which it acts. Can you guess why does this happen? Though the force applied in both the cases is same, but in the first case impact is less and in the second table it bends. This activity proves that both the force and the coverage area are important. Smaller the area on which the force acts, greater is the impact. The phenomena is known as pressure. Once again, I'll repeat. Smaller the area on which the force acts, greater is the impact, and the phenomena is known as pressure. We can also say that pressure is related to the force. Once again, I will define you. The force acting on a unit area of surface is called pressure. Pressure equal to force divided by area on which acts. Daily life examples on pressure. A school bag has a wide straps so that the weight of the bag may fall over a large area of the shoulder of the child, thus resulting in less pressure on the shoulder, and due to less pressure it is quite comfortable to carry the heavy school bag. One more example of pressure. A sharp knife has a very thin edge. It cuts the object better because the area of the contact is very small. The force of our hand falls over very small area of the object, producing a large amount of pressure, and this large amount of pressure cut the object very easily. Do liquid and gases also exert the pressure like a solid? The same is also true for the liquid. It also exerts equal pressure in all direction. One more example. The same is also true for the liquid. It also exerts equal pressure in all direction. When a plastic disc submerged in a water, it does not fall down. It is continuously pressed against the glass pipe by the pressure of the water. This implies that the water exerts the pressure in all direction. Let us study about air and our atmosphere. As you know that there is a air all around us. This envelope of air is known as atmosphere. It is a one layer that is known as it is enveloped or covered like that is known as atmosphere. The atmospheric air extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth. The pressure exerted by this air is known as atmospheric pressure. We know that pressure is a force per unit area. If we imagine a unit area and very long cylindrical standing on, on it filled with air, then the force of gravity on the air in this cylinder is the atmospheric pressure.